Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Mr. TechFox. In today's video, I'll guide you through the complete process of creating a Google form in 2024. Whether you need a survey, quiz, feedback form, or even a registration form, Google Forms is an excellent free tool. Let's dive in, and if you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tech guides. Alright, so first of all, we're going to access Google Forms. So normally you have to open the browser, and then you have to type on the address bar forms.google.com. Press enter. And you will see an interface like this if you already logged into your account. If you aren't, then you have to log in first. After logging into your account, normally you have to click on this blank form to create a new form. Alternatively, you can use from pre-designed templates, but I'm showing in the tutorial as a blank form. And now we are going to add form title and description. In the left top corner, you will see the untitled form text. Click there and enter the title of your form. This title will be displayed to anyone who fills out your form. So normally I'm giving here a title. Press anywhere of your screen and it will be saved into your title. And now we are going to write a description. Below the title, you will see the option to add a description. Here, you can explain what the form is about or give any necessary instructions. This can help respondents understand the purpose of the form before they begin answering questions. So I'm giving a demo description here. Press anywhere to save it. Now we are going to add questions to our form. So first of all, we are going to create a question. To create a question, click on Untitled Question. And you can then type in the question you want to ask. So I'm going to type a question here. You can also make this question as bold, italic, or underline. I'm making it bold. And now choose the question type. Google offers multiple types of questions, and you can select them from here. Click on here. And you will see all of the options. Multiple choice. Good for questions where you want the respondent to select one answer. Checkboxes. It allows users to select multiple options. Then short answer. Great for short text responses. On the other hand, paragraph. It's best for longer responses. Then drop down. It allows users to select one option from a drop down list. Then file upload, linear scale, and so on. Choose the option that you need. So I'm selecting multiple choice. So normally I'm adding option here. Yes. No. Later. To make a question mandatory, toggle the required button at the bottom right of the question box. This ensures that users must answer before submitting the form. To add more questions, normally click on the plus icon on the right sidebar, and it will continue adding all the questions you need for your form. Now we are going to customize the form design. So we are going to change theme colors. To make our form look more appealing, we have to click on the palette icon. And we can choose from a variety of color schemes or create a custom theme to match our brand. So we can change the header style, question style, and text size also. So from here you can select the font and you can select the size of your header, question, and text also. And here you can also add a header image. Normally you have to click on this choose image button. And from here, you can select header image. Normally select that, then press on insert. If you want to add a custom image from your PC, then you have to click on this upload button. And from here, you can select the image. So I'm adding a default image, clicking on insert. And it's gonna be added to the header of our form. That's it. And now, if we want to change the background color from yellow light to light blue and so on, we can also change them. Now we are gonna configure form settings. Normally we have to click on the settings option, and here you will see some options like this. If you are creating a quiz, switch to the quizzes tab and toggle the make this a quiz option. This allows you to assign points, mark correct answers, and show correct answers after submission. And here you can also add the point value. And there are so many options here you can adjust. Alright. Now we are gonna preview and test our form. To see how our form looks to respondents, click on the eye icon at the top right corner. Click on OK. This will open a preview of our form where we can test the question and responses. Now click on this pencil icon again. And now we are gonna share our Google form. Click on this send button. And in the sharing options, you can directly email the form by entering the email addresses in the field, or you can share it via link. To share the form via social media, messaging apps, or on a website, click on the link icon. And this will generate a link that you can copy and share. You can also check this box to make it shorten. Copy it. On the other hand, to embed in website, you can press this option. And you can copy it also by pressing here. Alright, so we are gonna copy this URL. After entering this link, we can observe our form and submit on that link. And if anyone submit answers, then you can see them from responses option. And that's it. You have now learned how to create a Google form start to finish in 2024. Whether you need to collect data, product service, or create quizzes, Google Forms makes it incredibly easy to free to do so. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mr. TechFox for more tech tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.